Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about the best way to connect Lendio with Wave Accounting. Now, the best way to do this is to use the integration as a bridge between funding insights and day-to-day bookkeeping. When Lendio and Wave are connected, financial data such as income, expenses, and funding activities can be aligned, which of course is going to reduce the need for duplicate entries and manual reconciliations. This connection keeps record consistent across platforms. It also makes it easier to generate accurate reports and of course to understand your true financial position. Cash flow visibility improves because funding data and operating activities are viewed together rather than in isolation. It also simplifies tax preparations and financial reviews since transactions are already organized and up to date. By linking Lendio with Wave Accounting, businesses spend less time managing spreadsheets and more time focusing on growth, knowing their financial data is synchronized, reliable, and easy to review. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.